Another thunderstorm is sweeping through Ville Platte. I'm Darcy Ortiz, your Evangeline Parish reporter here at the Gabriel Villa housing complex, where some parents tell me they're still trying to prepare for hurricane season. Jessica Thomas is a mother of 3, but helps to take care of a host of children in her community. While heavy rain, thunder, and lightning scattered through Ville Platte on Tuesday, Thomas says there are still additional disaster items she needs to buy.
I do need batteries, candles, flashlights. I need some cat food as well.
I walked around Thomas's neighborhood and spoke to a handful of kids who may be young but aren't strangers to hurricane season, like 12-year-old Carson Duplichan.
Get some candles, flashlights, and set them up on your wall.
Despite the clouds and gloomy forecast, 9-year-old Kaislyn Bertrand manages to find the sunlight through it all.
It's just bad weather and I want to play.
Even at a young age, Kaislyn knows that playing outside during a storm comes with too many risks.
It gets you sick and you could catch pneumonia. Pneumonia.
But Tuesday must have been an exception for Kaislyn and her sister, Anna Lee. Anna Lee isn't a fan of rain or thunder either. In fact, she claims the bad weather messes up her beauty sleep.
Every time I go to sleep, the thunder comes and I can't go to sleep.
Staying aware, the 8-year-old warns others to be cautious during severe weather.
Sometimes you could get struck by lightning.
Some children here in Ville Platte tell me they can't wait for hurricane season to end here in Louisiana because they don't feel safe playing outside during thunderstorms. I'm Darcy Ortiz, your Evangeline Parish reporter in Ville Platte, KATC TV3.